So padami na nga ng padami ang nagde-depart or ang departure updates natin para sa Miss Universe 2024. Marami ng mga candidates ang papunta sa Mexico. Take note guys, hindi lahat sila is diretso sa Mexico. Just like Chelsea Manalo, nag-depart siya papunta sa LA bago magpunta ng Mexico. We are not sure kung kailan talaga siya pupunta ng Mexico. Hindi ko din sure talaga kung kailan talaga yung schedule nila na dapat is makarating sila sa Mexico. But this video is magbibigay tayo ng opinion kung sino yung mga tipong kinulang sa budget, walang preparation, preparation wise how they look like sa kanilang departure. Merong iba na talagang sobrang simple na parang walang ayos, walang makeup or whatsoever. Meron naman na talagang bonggang-bongga na parang overdressed. Tingnan natin kung sino-sino sila at kung sino-sino yung mga sakto sa dress up, sakto sa ganap, sakto sa outfit at sino yung mga talagang overdressed or talagang kulang na kulang sa preparation. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Roderick Cruzabala. Bago tayo mag-proceed guys, if you're new to my channel, if you wanna be part of my journey, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button at huwag kakalimutan ng notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang aking mga susunod na uploads. So let's dive in. Unahin natin si Miss Fiji. So alam naman natin Miss Fiji was very confusing. To be honest, before nagkaroon ng parang switching na nagkamali daw ng crowning. Ang sabi before, hindi daw talaga si Manchika kundi si Nadine Roberts, first runner-up, ang totoong winner. So, alam niya naman, gumawa ako ng mga videos and then marami nagko-comment din na mali daw yung totoong winner. So, pinalitan ko ng Nadine Roberts dahil yun talaga yung nakalagay sa Miss Universe list, which is also only from Wikipedia. So, hindi din talaga siya reliable. But, pag chinyag nyo yung bio ni Miss Nadine Roberts sa kanyang Instagram, nakalagay doon is the official Miss Fiji Universe or Miss Universe Fiji. Tinignan mo din naman doon kay Manchika, siya din is ganun pa rin, Miss Universe Fiji 2024. So I was really confused. So bear with me for that, but I'm just basing on what I see, what I can see online. But according sa Miss Universe, it is Manchika who is the real Miss Universe Fiji 2024. But overall, I think that Manchika, she looked really simple here. I don't see much preparation, but this picture alone will not justify her chances, her overall chances para sa Miss Universe 2024 beauty pageant. The next one is Miss Suriname. So Suriname or Suriname, I don't know how to properly pronounce, but she is also one of the most simplest or simplest. The next one is Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe is one of the most simple talaga ng kanyang OOTD. The next one is Miss Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea parang super simple na halos parang wala siyang makeup. May pagkahawig siya kay Miss Botswana noong 1999. So, who knows, di ba? The next is Miss Mongolia. So, super parang costumey ng kanyang out para sa kanyang departure. Nigeria is one of the simple na okay naman. I just really like na sana mapanood nyo to. Sana gamitin niya yung totoo niyang buhok. I just really find na talagang lagi siyang naka-wig. Okay lang sana. Extension or whatsoever, I'm okay with that. But you know, the girl na parang i-cover yung totoong buhok, I am not against, but that is just not my cup of tea. The next one is Miss Indonesia. So Indonesia, very simple. Super simple ng kanyang suot during her departure. I just really find na parang yung kanyang proportion, just looking at this picture, parang hindi proportion yung kanyang, I don't know, look at the arms, parang mababa yung bewang niya or whatsoever or yung balakang. The next one is Miss Sri Lanka. Mas surprising pa nga si Miss Sri Lanka, mas medyo maganda pa nga siya kaysa dun sa iba. The next is Miss Norway. So Norway is parang medyo bata-bata yung itsura niya talaga. Para siyang teen ang itsura niya dito. The next is Miss Namibia. So Namibia, very simple pa rin. Okay, but simple, nasisimplihan ako. Miss Cambodia. So Cambodia is one of the most parang paborito nila among the women or candidates na may asawa at may anak. Parang may pagka Rosita or Winwin Marquez. The next is Miss China. So China is simple, elegant, classy, but very simple. The next is Miss Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan, she looks simple, not overdressed. Yun nga lang, parang napansin ko parang mas maganda pa yung kasama niya dito sa picture na to. But overall, she's okay. The next one is Miss Guatemala. So Guatemala, remember guys, so she is the replacement actually of the actual winner dahil nabuntis. Or ngayon, kasalukuyan siguro about 7 months, 8 months pregnant na yung actual winner. So that's why pinalitan nila dahil hindi na niya kaya makipag-compete. So Miss Guatemala, looking simple, beautiful in blue. The next is Miss Paraguay. So Paraguay is kakaiba dito sa picture na to. Bagay sa kanya yung kulay. Parang naalala ko yung damit na sinuot ni Celeste Cortesi during the Miss Universe. The next one is Miss Belize. So Belize is one of the, I think, mas maibibigay ko pa, masasabi ko pa na siya yung dark horse dahil siya yung tipong parang hindi siya ganun ka super fit, slim wise, but fit in a good way. Hindi siya yung parang model na slim, na slender. Overall, I think she has this good Baba Boom body, looking simple, looking radiant, looking fresh. The next is Miss Cayman Islands. So Cayman Islands is looking beautiful in this aqua blue or parang may pagka-bluish na kanyang outfit for departure. The next is Miss Malaysia. So Malaysia is actually more simple, more fresh looking, face-wise, para siyang typical na Malaysian looking. Bolivia is also one of the, parang ganun pa rin. Medyo meron kasi sa picture sa sobrang glam up niya sa ibang picture. Iba yung itsura niya dito sa video na to. But overall, departure-wise, OOTD, she look okay. The next one is isa sa pinakasimple, Philippines. Again guys, so Philippines, itong departure pictures nito ay hindi siya direkta papunta pa sa Mexico. During sa picture na to, siya ay pumunta muna sa LA, sa Los Angeles, sa USA, and mag-head on na siya sa Mexico maybe today or maybe tomorrow because she is very near to Mexico. So yeah, so this is I think about a week ago. Beautiful but very simple. The next one is Miss Aruba. So Aruba, isa sa picture niya na nakita natin before, super glammed up, super ibang-iba dito, but super simple lang ng kanyang OOTD para sa kanyang departure. Mas bongga pa nga si Albania. So Albania is looking beautiful in this casual, parang pwede na nga sa closed door interview yung kanyang suot sa kanyang departure. The next one is Miss Myanmar. So Myanmar is more of parang Mexican, meron siyang cover sa ulo, looking simple, looking okay. Miss Slovak Republic, medyo glamorous ng konti ang kanyang suot dahil medyo may sparkles, may mga Swarovski. Yeah, Slovak Republic, she look amazing here. Ang pinaka-overdress ay walang iba kundi si Miss South Africa. South Africa, she look ravishing, elegant, classy, royalty. But I think overdress. I don't know. Meron pa kasi siyang parang gloves and hat. But she look amazing. Nabalitaan ko lang, di ba, napanood nyo, parang hindi siya bet ni Osmel Sosa. So, hopefully, mag-excel siya sa Miss Universe 2024. The next one is Miss Netherlands. Netherlands is also one of the paborito ni Osmel Sosa. She look amazing, ravishing, beautiful in purple sa kanyang departure OOTD. The next is Venezuela. So, nakita ko yung video but hindi ko lang siya ma-post dahil para siyang galing sa Venevision or sa isang television sa Mexico or Venezuela. So, may copyright. But she look ravishing, beautiful. Siya yung talagang parang pinaka-ready, na prepared, well makeup, well done yung hair, yung makeup, yung OOTD niya. She was amazing. The next one is Miss France. So France is parang simple na nakasuot lang siya ng skirt na sparkly, silver, beautiful, simple. The next one is Miss Argentina. So Argentina is one of the surprise na hindi siya masyadong magandang tingnan minsan sa ibang picture, but she look ravishing and beautiful dito sa kanyang OOTD. The next one is I think isa sa pinaka maganda during the departure was Miss Chile. So she was so energetic, beautiful, the smile, the walk, the attire. I think that she is one of the best, or she is the best during the departure among the candidates of Miss Universe 2024. The next is Thailand. So Thailand is isa sa pinagkaguluhan. Marami siyang hakot na fans sa airport. Miss Thailand is beautiful. The next is Miss Côte d'Ivoire. Isa siya sa surprise. Napakaganda ng kanyang legs, napakaganda. Bagay sa kanya yung kulay na suot niya, orangey na parang zesty orange. Cote d'Ivoire is one of the best. Denmark is hindi papatalo. Beautiful, simple. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung suot niya na white. I'm not sure if this is white, but yeah, it looks white. She's beautiful, one of the most favorite among the contestants of Miss Universe 2024. And also, she is one of the consistent na talagang maganda. Yung tipong from the picture, from the videos, until dito, talaga makikita mo na well prepared, well made up talaga siya. Hindi mo siya makikita na simple lang. Okay? So, I think that is very important to be consistent. Kung glamorosa yung gusto mo ipakita, then be glamorous all the time. Kung gusto mo maging simple, then or be simple all the time. The next is Miss India. She has this beautiful shape of the face. Ang ganda ng panga niya. I think that sakto lang, hindi super made up, simple. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung attire niya. Miss Estonia is one of the most simple na girl na during her departure, she was ravishing in white and blue top. She looked sexy, classy, youthful. Estonia is one of my favorite as well as Australia is very simple. So super parang sporty, na classy, na casual. I just love the color green. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. She's very simple and bubbly and ang ganda ng kanyang face. Ang ganda din ng katawan. Super stunning. Very simple sa kanyang departure picture. The next one and last but not the least is Peru. I think that she is one of the best next to Chile. So she has this very good aura, the personality, the smile. You can feel that she is very sincere and bagay na bagay sa kanya yung suot niya dito. She is wearing na parang pwede na nga sa closed door interview, right? So she's beautiful. She is waving to her fans. Peru is one of the best during the departure of the Miss Universe 2024 contestant para sa 73rd Miss Universe competition. This is it guys, this is just my opinion because I know that I'm posting updates kung sino yung mga nag-depart na papunta ng Mexico, but I don't have any comments because I'm so tired and I don't have time to record the video. But this is it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you guys stay safe and be safe. Bye bye.